Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Sheet view only. Alright, let's get started. Here I have my Google Sheets opened and choose the file that you want to make it view only, and I'll go with this file 5, and on the file that you want to make it view only, you have to click on this three dots button. Then there will be some options for you and you have to choose manage access. And on the general access, you can click change right here. As you can see that my file is still restricted, it means that only people edit can open with the link, and just click on it and click on this option and choose anyone with the link to make the file can be viewed by anyone. Alright, and if you want to make it view only, you have to make sure that you choose viewer right here. Just click on it and make sure that you choose viewer. Alright, and that's how we can make Google Sheets view only. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.